Deep Thoughts at the Dentist. This is Sheri with ViREO Life, author of Go Forward 28 Days to Eat, Move, and Enjoy Life God's Way. And I am at my dentist office, waiting on the dentist. You can see I've got the little bib on. And I started having some deep thoughts about what we're going to discuss. I have a baby tooth that never had a permanent tooth come in behind it. So that means it has stayed with me all my life. And it is now to the point it's kind of wiggly and I have to really chew around it whenever I eat. It gets in my way. It's no longer serving me. And I got to thinking, I wonder what else in my life. I wonder what in your life you're holding on to from childhood. I'm holding on to from childhood that no longer serves us, might even be detrimental to us, that we need to let go, that we need to extract and create a plan for putting something good in there permanently. So whatever that might be, is there a belief? Is there a thought? Is there a way of being? Is there a behavior? Is there a relationship you've had for years that it's time to extract that and put in something permanent that's going to be good and useful and serve you? So put that in the comments. Let's get some discussion going, because it's that time of year that we're all thinking about reflecting on our lives, reflecting on this year, and getting ready to plan for next year. So what would that be? What belief, what thought, what behavior, what habit, what relationship is in my life, is in your life, that we need to extract? That little baby tooth that's no longer serving us, we need to get rid of it, and we need to put in something that is going to serve us, that is going to carry us forward in the rest of our lives. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time, find your path and fulfill your potential.